So, good day everyone. This is a presentation coming from Group 3 and our topic is about gadgets. So, the content of our presentation is, of course, first the introduction. Second is about John Whitney Sr. Third is the masterworks of John Whitney. Fourth is John Whitney's idea about imitationism. And fifth is how does his work influence the Filipino culture.
Introduction. The history of digital art stretches back all the way back the 50s. The very first digital image created by a computer was by a man named John Whitney in 1965. Considered the father of computer graphics, John Whitney created his art with mathematical functions, which was then transformed into an image by a computer. So, siya yung unang taong gumawa ng digital art by only using his computer. Kung iisipin natin sa panahon nila, paano nila mako-connect ang art sa gadget? So, paano sila o siya makakagawa ng art gamit lamang ang computer? At ang computer pa noon is malalaki yung likod at hindi pa ganun ka-updated compared sa meron tayo ngayon. So, mapapawaw ka na lang talaga dahil naisip ni John Whitney Sr. ah, or nakagawa siya ng ganong art kahit na kung titingnan natin ngayon parang basic na lang yung art na nagawa niya. Pero kung sa panahon nila, sobrang hirap gawin yan. Lalo na kung wala pang idea or di pa nag exist yung way ng paggawa niya ng art. So, dyan nagsimula na art is everywhere talaga dahil hindi lang siya sa isang way nagagawa or common is sa paper and paintings, kung hindi meron na rin digital art gamit ang kanyang computer. So, siya ay considered as a father of computer graphics dahil sa kanya nagsimula ang digital art. At ang art pa niya is hindi basta-basta gawa-gawa lang. Meron din siyang mathematical functions para makagawa ng image or art gamit ang kanyang computer. So, next. John Whitney Sr. John Whitney is an American animator and computer graphics pioneer. He's not only paved the way for modern computer animation, but also used mathematics and technology as tools for creating moving art. To put it simply, John Whitney was ahead of his time. His influence on the world of art and animation is immeasurable, and his legacy lives on through the many works he created and the artists he inspired. So, si John Whitney Sr. is US-American animator rin. So, ayun na nga, nasabi ko na kanina na yung art niya ay may halong mathematics at ang tools na gamit niya is computer. So, sobrang laki ng influence ni John Whitney Sr. So, marami siyang na-influence na artist at naengganyo na rin gumawa ng art gamit ang gadget simula noon hanggang ngayon. At immeasurable siya kasi hindi mapapatayan ng hindi mapapantayan ng sino man ang galing niya sa art o naisip niya gamit lamang ang computer. At gumawa siya ng kakaibang legacy when we talks about the arts na hanggang ngayon ay isa sa sikat at modern way na paggawa ng arts. So, yung na-influence niya sa digital art is hindi lang yung taga dun sa kanila, kung hindi sa buong mundo. So, yun.
So, masterworks of John Whitney. So one of the considered masterworks of John Whitney is what we call the digital harmony. Now, what is the digital harmony? Well, Whitney's digital harmony introduced an intriguing concept in which the harmony of music could be aligned with the harmony of visual design. Through his exploration of periodic relationship, interference, and counterpoint in audiovisual system, Whitney reveals how integrating different mediums can create interesting, aesthetically pleasing outcomes. Now, to further explain what digital harmony is, as you can see in the PowerPoint presentation, there is that thing, the line. Now, as you can see that this string-like object has perfect shape and is aligned to another end. Now, think about that end of the string as the digital design and the other end of the string as the music. So as you can see, they are aligned perfectly. No differences, no unaligned string, just pure harmony and balance. That's what digital harmony is. It's the perfect balance between the music and the digital design that is compatible with it.
Hi guys, let's proceed to question number 2. To what extent does the artist reflects the idea of imitationism? So first, let me describe to you what is the meaning of imitationism. Imitationism is based on the belief that an artwork is not worth it if it does not look real. The artist strive to create a replica of the world, an attempt at verisimilitude. So, how does John Whitney reflects the idea of imitationism? John Whitney was an American animator, composer, and inventor, widely considered to be one of the pioneers of computer animation. His artwork is not commonly connected with imitationism. However, some aspects of his artwork can be read in light of imitationism via a current lens. Witness animations constructed with algorithms and computers frequently attempted to emulate natural patterns such as harmony, symmetry, and mathematical structures. Whitney might be viewed as replicating the essence of nature rather than its appearance. For instance, his utilization of sinusoidal waves and other mathematical functions to generate motion aligns with how natural phenomena such as sound waves or planetary orbits follow specific patterns. So, as I mentioned earlier, John Whitney is not commonly connected with imitationism. However, some aspect of her artwork is can be read and light that light of imitationism via a current lens. Whitney's animation constructed with algorithms and computers frequently attempted to emulate natural patterns such as harmony, symmetry, and mathematical structure. So that's it. Bye.
As discussed by my co-reporters, John Whitney is an American animator and computer graphics pioneer. So how does John Whitney influence the Filipino culture? While his direct influence on Filipino culture may be little, the respected truths in computer graphics and animation have had a far-reaching impact on global digital arts, including the Philippines. Here are several ways of how Whitney's work indirectly influenced the Filipino culture through digital arts and animation. First, inspiration for Filipino digital artists and animators. Whitney's pioneering work in computer animation inspired generations of animators throughout the world. The Philippines, which has a thriving animation and digital arts industry, could have benefited from his techniques, particularly in the early days of animation. Filipino animators have worked on both local and international projects, and Whitney's legacy in computer-generated imagery is likely to have influenced the technological context in which they work. So the work of Whitney, Whitney inspired the Filipino animators and have benefited from his techniques and applied it to the ongoing progress of animation in the Philippines. Second, growth of the Filipino animation industry. The Philippines has emerged as a prominent player in the worldwide animation industry, working on outsourced projects for large corporations such as Disney and Warner Bros. Pioneers like Whitney pioneered tools and approaches that laid the framework for modern animation, helping to build the technological infrastructure that Filipino animators use today. These techniques that inspire the Filipino animators has emerged and the Philippines has become a prominent player in the worldwide animation industry. They work for Disney Bros, which is a big company for animations or cartoons. And lastly, integration of technology and Filipino art. Whitney's merger of technology and art may have indirectly inspired Filipino modern artists, notably those working in multimedia and digital art. His work with machines to generate visual effects inspired other artists throughout the world, especially those in the Philippines, to investigate the relationship between art and technology. It is said that John Whitney's work with machines to generate visual effects inspired a lot of artists throughout the globe. Art has been no longer handcrafted, but now to investigate the relationship between art and technology, which provides us the magnificent works like television, cellular phones, and other gadgets. As I have discussed earlier, John Whitney had no direct specific or specific influence on Filipino culture. The global reach of his work in digital animation has contributed to technological developments and creative experiments that Filipino artists and animators are currently used as of today. That's all. Thank you.